can I use my voice as the vehicle of my truth? How can I use my voice as medicine? Our voice has a tremendous power, and saying our truth has a tremendous power. And sometimes it takes us a while to be quiet enough and aware enough to tap into that space where we can actually listen to the truth that lies inside of us, where we can become present to the safety that we need, to the boundaries that we need to talk about, to the feelings that we want to express, and to the things that we seek. But it's a whole other story to express that to another person. We kind of choke up on our words, or we go around in circles and wondering what to say next, or wondering if they're going to get angry or fearing abandonment. But what if we just surrendered into who we are and accepted that we can be vulnerable no matter what? We can't expect everyone to love us. If you are true to yourself, you're saying yes to yourself. If you try to please somebody else out of fear, you are not using your voice as a powerful vehicle of your truth. So therefore, you're denying your truth. Are you denying yourself of who you are and what you want? Because if that's the case, you're the only one getting in your way. So a good way to actualize our truth and activate our voice is not only through speaking, but it's also through singing, and what we do through meditation, as we call chanting or oming. It's using the frequencies and using the vibrations to raise the energy and to change it up so that the feelings or the muddiness and the yuckiness can be transformed. So open your body, breathe, start allowing emotions to rise and the truth to surface. But speak your truth with compassion, with gentleness and self-love. That means understanding your temperament. That means raising your words and not raising your voice. It also means to not act your emotions, but to simply speak to your emotions. That's how people become receptive to you. If you're always acting out of need, it's like being married to someone who's always nagging. Are you that person? Is that fun to be around you? Or how is it to be with someone who can simply express how they feel in a state of presence, of awareness, and taking responsibility for yourself? That is the power of your voice. If you can express your boundaries this way and what you need, a whole world will open up to you.